One of the best strategies that works in any market, whether it's crypto, stocks, forex, etc. It has a high win rate. It's so simple that anyone who has just started trading can benefit from this strategy and the tips I provide in this video. First, choose any symbol you like and set your time frame to 15 minutes. Then you need an indicator. So go to the Indicators tab and search for Volume Supported Linear Regression. When you find it, click on it. Now you will see some signals and colorful charts that need some adjustments, so go to Settings and apply the changes as I did. Go to the Input tab and make sure that the source is set to close, and change the short-term length from 20 to 27 and the long-term length from 50 to 90. Also change the colors of columns and lines to green and red like me. Now the question is how to trade with this indicator. To find buy and sell signals, you only need to do two things. For buy trades, when the VSLR indicator changes from red to green columns, don't rush into a trade. Wait for the signal line to also change from red to green. Exactly where the signal line changes color, we have our buy signal and can place a buy order. For sell trades, wait for the columns to change from green to red and the signal line to also change from green to red. When this happens, you can place a sell order. Now, if you want to increase the win rate of this strategy, you need to add another indicator. For this, go to the Indicators tab and search for HA Market Bias. But don't rush. Go to Settings and make changes as I did. Then just check that for the buy trades, the price is exactly above the market bias, and for the sell trades, the price is exactly below the market bias.
Sell setup.
When the VSLR indicator shows a change in color from green to red and the VSLR trend line also shows this change, and here the candles were below the market bias line, we understand that we are in a downtrend and can place a sell order here. Set your stop loss above the previous high of the market. Let's look at a few examples to fully understand this strategy.
Buy setup.
When the VSLR indicator shows the first green columns and the trend line also changes from red to green, and the price is above the market bias line, we understand that we are in an uptrend and we can place a buy order here. Set your stop loss below the market bias line. And risk to reward ratio is 2. Let's look at a few examples to fully understand this strategy. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.